How to make a duet video on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can just select any of the video that you want to duet on. So here, as I choose one of these videos randomly, I can see the option of share at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on the share option and then swipe the menu at the bottom of the screen to the left, and here you can see the option of duet. So tap on duet, and as you tap on duet, you'll be able to see the two screens over after that. So it's loading right now, so just make sure that you have the stable internet connection on your device. So as you can see, it has now led to a new page over here where you can see one of the screen. This is my screen and this is the original video that I wanted to duet. So all you have to do is just record yourself and duet it by tapping on the red button and then tap on the tick mark and make the necessary edits and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.